Hi everybody. Okay, what we got here, it's a sound sensor. Okay, you can see the sound sensor here. That's a sound sensor with a potentiometer to adjust the amplitude of the waves. Okay, now I've set it up already, so I don't want to reset it, because to set it up you have to manipulate the pot on the potentiometer on the sound sensor, and you have to maneuver this one as well. Now, as it is at the moment, it is working perfectly, because it's been, well, it took me a couple of hours to, so it's not that easy. But it works perfectly now. So, woo, sort of. Okay, so the code, all you have to do to adjust it as well is to manage your mapping. So as we get, let's see, mapping, it's, okay, one thing is that I set it up to be on both of them on a analog 0. So you can see here, the wire goes to here, to this point, and then picks up. The pot is always analog. And because the Wemo D1 is a mini processor, and it has only one analog, so but you can put them, analog going across. It works better. Most of sensor works much better with analog than digital. So that has been set up like that. It looks much better. Okay, so what do we got here? It's a mapping. You have to figure out how to map your pot with your wavelengths. And this is the, it's the map sound. No, sorry, pretty confused. Yeah, pot value. This is what you got to adjust. Can you see this? Let me see. So this is what you have to adjust, is the pot value, which is here. And these two numbers, you can increase and decrease them and adjust your wavelength, amplitude, depending on how your system works. So, and you, yeah, it's not easy, I must say. It's, you just have to play around. But eventually I did manage it, and it does work well. And you can, sorry guys, I've got a bit of cold. And you can see while I'm talking, and if I put music on, maybe, let's see when I put music on, what it sounds like. Yeah, I've got a cold. Oh no, I can't put really music on. Probably not allowed to play, eh? Maybe, try this one.
This AI tool will create a stunning ebook.
God, I hate that bit. There we are. sort of, let's play. Okay. Well, I will post everything on the site. This is just a small program to show. Maybe you can make it better or change the graphic of but it does work well, I think. Thank you very much. Have a good day.